it is Monday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. All right, so today, guys, like I said, it is Monday. I hope everyone had an awesome weekend. I hope you were able to get a little bit of rest in there, but also have a little bit of fun as well. So here on the channel this week, I think I want to do something fun also this week, and it is going to be just a week of favorites, all right? A week of favorites. So today is going to kick off the favorites that I am really enjoying here in my kitchen, the 5 appliances, guys, that I just have to have. They make my life so easy here in the kitchen. Let me know too, as we go through this list of 5 appliances that I can't live without. Let me know if you have any of these. Let me know if you feel the same way. You feel that, you know, these are going to help you to get in here, make quick meals, or make ahead meals for your family. And I think all of these are going to have those characteristics. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so my rice cooker is going to be that first appliance that I absolutely have to have here in my kitchen. It is a current favorite. It is an old favorite. I think it'll always be a favorite of mine for the simple fact that with my rice cooker, guys, I can get in here and make white rice, brown rice, and also steam veggies in this one pot. All right, I love that I can be running late for dinner. Not sure what time you guys eat dinner in your house, but around here, if dinner is not ready, at least by 5:30, you know, I start getting vultures kind of circling the kitchen. Let me know what time you guys eat in your house, but here it is around 5:30 religiously. All right, but so I love that if I'm kind of pressed for time, it's getting close to that 5:30 mark and I'm not quite ready, this will make a good pot of rice, brown rice, or steamed vegetables in about 10 minutes. So I love this. I love that it comes with a cup, a little cup. I can measure things out really easily. Just a little push of the button, it opens up. I love that this little pot here, as you can see, it has been used, okay? I love that this little cup has the measurements here on the side. I love that once I am finished cooking, the cleanup is so easy. I am able to either wash it really easily in the sink or actually stick it in the dishwasher and not have to worry about, you know, this getting gunky and sticky. I also love the fact that it is stainless steel. I have seen some in white and a few other colors actually, but I love that the stainless steel of my rice cooker really coincides with the look that I have here going on in my kitchen. You guys won't believe where I purchased this from, okay? Kroger, the grocery store. Yes, I purchased this rice cooker from Kroger. This is the Aroma Professional. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I know it wasn't over 30 bucks. And I've had it for a few years now, and it is still holding up. Just still really pretty, still beautiful as the day that I bought it. To keep it clean, just a little soapy water. That's it. And like I said, this will either go into the dishwasher or I'll just hand wash it in the sink. My second fave here in my kitchen, guys, my second appliance that I'm just really loving, I cannot see myself living without, is my electric can opener. This one is by Hamilton Beach, and I just love it, guys. I have not had this can opener all that long. I want to say I just got it maybe the middle of last year, probably even later than that, but I am just loving this. This is the can opener here that I was using prior to my electric can opener. And I just want to give you guys a little demonstration of just how long it takes for me to open a can with this little can opener right here, compared to how long it takes me to open a can with my electric can opener. All right, I don't know what I was thinking. I've mentioned to you guys before that I have just the smallest wrists, okay? And so really trying to use this gave my wrist just a workout that I did not enjoy. Also, if you are in a time crunch, you're trying to get those meals out and you're needing to open cans, this one right here, this is just frustrating. Let's say for dinner today, you are wanting to make Chipotle bowls, you know, little Mexican bowls, chicken, a little tomatoes on the side, some black beans. You've already prepared your rice in your rice cooker. It is good to go. So now you want to get your little sides together. All right, so let's go ahead and open up our tomatoes. You guys know how this little can opener works. You take it, press it in, and then you start turning. This can is actually going a little bit smoother than it typically does. All right, so that one's open, okay? But now I have to kind of, you know, pop the lid off, be careful, make sure I don't get cut, okay? So for the electric can opener, all we're simply going to do is make sure the lever is pulled all the way up. That is the unlock position. Take our can, the lip of it, and slip it right up underneath the little blade. Press down, and you just want to hold it down. Listen for it to pop. That is it. Lift up. And the top comes right off, okay? You don't have that little sharp blade edge. This can opener takes the entire lid off. As you can see here, I love that. I love that it doesn't leave any sharp edges. So if you have, you know, kids in the house and they're just starting to cook, this is a great appliance for them to use. You don't have to worry about them, you know, really cutting themselves, as opposed to the sharpness of this particular can right here. So yeah, loving my electric can opener. All right guys, and so the third favorite appliance here currently in my kitchen is going to be my multi-cooker. So the multi-cooker is a cooker that can do pretty much everything, okay? My multi-cooker serves as a crock pot. I can also make rice in this multi-cooker. I can roast chicken in this multi-cooker. I can make stews, chilies, even yogurt, guys, in this multi-cooker. This one was actually sent to me courtesy of Kasori. I will link the video where I did the unboxing of this particular multi-cooker. Oh my gosh, it's been some time, so if I remember, I'll definitely leave that link for that below. So today I am actually going to roast a chicken in this multi-cooker, and it is going to serve as the protein for my little Chipotle bowls, okay? So here in a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and place my chicken in here. I can set the timer and walk away and go and do something else here in the house. There have been times that I've even set it on low, ran up the street to CVS, picked up a prescription, and come back home, and it was still cooking away fine. All right, so really loving this one. I know that Walmart carries just a host of different types of multi-cookers. I love that this one comes with a little rack, and I can sit my chicken or whatever I'm roasting on here and not worry about it actually sticking to the bottom of the cooker. Also, those juices, when they fall down, those are great bases for different grains. Just like with the rice cooker, I love that I can remove the insert from my multi-cooker and place it over into the dishwasher. I can wash it in the sink. I love that on those days where I'm really not trying to mess up a bunch of dishes, I don't have to necessarily use a measuring cup, as it already has the measurements here on the inside and on the outside of my multi-cooker. I love that it comes with these little silicone handles so that I when I want to maybe take a dish to a family member's or a friend's house for, let's say, brunch or dinner or something, I can just easily transport this, place my lid on. The lid also has a silicone surround. Sit it neatly in the car and not necessarily have to worry about spills and slips and things like that. All right guys, so the next appliance that I just cannot see myself living without here in my kitchen, guys, is my KitchenAid mixer. if you do not have a KitchenAid mixer, guys, you don't know what you're missing, okay? You don't know what you're missing. This appliance, guys, it's capable of doing so many things, all right? You can make cake, pies, bread, pizza dough, and it actually creams butter like nobody's business, all right? So with my particular KitchenAid stand mixer, and I have an older one, all right? I know I've seen some of you whose stand mixer comes with like a zillion attachments. Mine is pretty basic, but again, it's basic, but it absolutely gets the job done, all right? Comes with several attachments, even though again this one is very basic. This was one of the first models. This is the one that I've used for bread and pizza dough right here. This one is great for creaming butter, and then this one I use for cakes, all right? But they're all interchangeable, I'll say that. And again, the color, not silver. It's not the exact white that I have here in my kitchen. My cabinets are more of like an antique white, but this is a really stark bone white, but it doesn't matter. I keep it in my pantry and it still looks great. I love that my bowl is actually stainless. If you guys have ever made a meringue or whipped cream, you know that you want to use, I believe it is a pretty good cold bowl, and you know that stainless steel is really great for kind of keeping cold things cold. So when I'm mixing them, this is actually perfect. I didn't have to go out and buy a separate bowl. However, you can if you are, let's say during Thanksgiving and Christmas, you're doing a lot of cooking, it is kind of advantageous. I think it, you know, just to have a couple of bowls on hand. But yeah, I am loving my KitchenAid stand mixer. Let me know if you guys have one. If you do, let me know if you have actually used the bread attachment to make bread and how it turned out for you. But kitchen appliance that I am absolutely loving here in my kitchen, guys, is my new air fryer, my Krups air fryer. Again, I had talked to you guys a while back about whether or not I should get the air fryer, and I finally did it, guys, and I have to tell you, I am loving it. I have made so many different things here in my air fryer, and it gets it done just really quick, and I don't have to mess up a bunch of dishes. That is my thing. I love my kitchen. I love for it to be clean. I don't like doing a lot of dishes, and so when I can do just about all of my cooking in one appliance, it is great, all right? And so the air fryer definitely fits the bill. For me, I love that I open it up here just like this, and this entire unit, guys, can go right into my dishwasher. Just like my multi-cooker, it comes with a little insert here, and I sit my whatever it is I'm cooking right on top, and then the air is able to kind of circulate in the bottom and make everything, believe it or not, nice and crispy. And that's just going to depend on how long you know, keep your food item that you're making inside of the air fryer. But I just love it. Again, the stainless steel, it is just so pretty. I have made, again, chicken. I've made steaks in here. I've even made fries, guys. So you guys know we love to use the Kroger click list, and so what they will do when they don't have an item that you're looking for, they will substitute it out. So I had placed an order for some of the larger potatoes. Well, they didn't have them, so they gave me 2 big bags of these smaller ones. Okay, this is a lot of potatoes. So because I love to make my own potatoes sometimes, that was actually why I placed the order for those. So what I have been doing is cutting these little potatoes in fourths and placing them in the air fryer, guys, and I come out with the crispiest steak fries. Just delicious. You would not believe it. So let me know if you would like to see tomorrow for dinner. I think we're gonna have maybe I don't know, you know, the Super Bowl is coming up, so I'm thinking about doing like Super Bowl party wings inside the air fryer. So, and we'll have maybe the little steak fries with that, or maybe I'll slice them even thinner and do little homemade fries. But let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. Let's see, I'm thinking possibly doing, I have a big pack of chicken wings, so I could possibly do some of them lemon pepper, some of them barbecue, and then just some of them just with a regular seasoning. Let me know if you guys would like to come along for that. But yeah, loving my air fryer. It's not plugged in, so let me plug it in and stick my tray in, my little bowl. Did you guys see it pop on? All right, and so it automatically does that when you plug it in and put your tray in, it pops on, and then there is a power button here on top. All right, and then I'm able to set the temperature that I want up here. But also up here are these little icons. If you guys can see that. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. It kind of tells you what you can typically make inside of your air fryer. So I could put a pizza in here, fish, salmon, shrimp, casseroles, of course chicken, just a host of things that I can do here. And if you push the button, let's say I was gonna put a steak in here, I just push the steak button and it automatically sets the time for me. So yeah, loving, loving, loving my air fryer. Well, that is it, guys. Those are my current kitchen faves, my current appliance kitchen faves. Let me know if you had a favorite of the 5 that I shared with you here. Let me know what your current kitchen favorite is in your kitchen. Also, don't forget, guys, to let me know, what time do you eat dinner? What time do you eat dinner? How long do you have? Does your family give you a bit of a grace period before they start circling the kitchen wanting to know what time dinner is? Let me know. All right. Oh, also let me know if you want to see me do those little Super Bowl chicken wings and fries in the air fryer, because I'd love to share that with you guys. And so really appreciate you guys stopping in. Again, I hope you all had a great weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.